not using a laptop. It's just two fingers holding.
Alright.
Okay, at this moment you don't talk to the dog, you don't say it's okay, it's not gonna nothing gonna happen. He's not completely calm submissive. So whatever you're saying is not gonna benefit his state of mind. He did show us a little panic attack, but it was like 10 seconds stop.
Right.
This is a panic attack after this, and every time they show you panic attack after that.
Did you have the hiccups?
So at this point, please do not feel sorry for him because this is not gonna help him either. Here is your leash. You have the hose, you got the water hose. Turn on the water hose. There we go. Create the sound. Good. Make sure no tension from your arm. That's right. This family, if they want to do it, I mean, this is